Hello everyone. In my other vlog that I had for you, we talked about the year-end planning for individuals. Now comes the time for business year-end planning. This is the time that you have to start looking at your accounting, looking at your financial statement, pretty much looking at your profit and loss statements. So go to your QuickBooks software or any other accounting software that you use. Talk to your bookkeeper, talk to your accountant, and get that report now to see where you are up to now in terms of your profit or loss. Pretty much there are two scenarios that we are going to talk about. The first scenario that I hope you all are in is that if you are in total black, what that means is that you've made a lot of profit. Now you want to reduce your taxes because you just don't want to fork over too much money to Uncle Sam. Obviously, we have to give some money to Uncle Sam because that's our obligation to keep the country going. But we just don't want to be that generous either. And we want to be smart, taking advantage of the tax code that is available for business owners. So if you have made a lot of money and you have a profit, there are a few things that you can do. Go around your office, go around your warehouse, go around your business to see if you need any supplies, if you need any equipment, if you need a car for that matter. This is the time to do it before the year end. There are provisions in the tax code that buying big items like a car or a copier or something like that, a big equipment, that you can write off the whole thing currently, and that is going to completely offset the profit that you have. So that's something to really consider and go for it. Of course, I'm not encouraging you to buy something that you don't need, because then you'll be sitting on a piece of equipment or a car that is pretty much useless. That's not going to serve your business at the end of the day. But just go around and be wise that this is the stuff that you need to get done before the end of the year to reduce your taxes. So why not? In one of my vlogs that I had for you, I talked about electric car. I talked about cars that are over 6,000 pounds. There are some tax provisions that you can actually write off the whole thing. Actually the 80% of the cost of the car. Plus get some credit for the EV. Electric vehicle. So why not? If you qualify, go for it. One of the other things that you can do is that you can actually stop billing your clients. So the money that they are going to send you is going to come next year. What does that mean by billing the clients late? What I mean is that stop sending the invoices now, and come January 1st or January 2nd when you return to your office, that's when you start billing people. And that's when they start paying you. That is assuming you are, of course, on a cash basis accounting, So that's one of the things. Now, the other scenario is that I hope that most of you are not on, is that if your profit is red, that means you are at a loss. So what do? Well, the first thing that you need to do is stop spending money. You don't want to create more losses, because the losses that you're going to incur this year that get carried over to next year are going to be completely limited. So you're not going to have 100% write-off of your current year, which is 2023 losses in 2024. So you're gonna miss out on some of those deductions. The other thing that you need to make sure that you do is take a look at your accounts receivable. Take a look at all those customers or clients who haven't paid you. Start getting on the phone. Start collecting, so you can actually get more money in, so you can hopefully zero out everything and ideally go black and actually make money. So these are a couple of the things that I wanted to talk to you about that you can do before the year end. Please do not procrastinate. There is less than 2 months left. I know we have Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year coming, and it's more important things to do with the family and all that, but just spend a little time and pay attention to where your profit and loss is, and do not be scared at looking at your profit and loss. It's your business, it matters, and it's your life. Take care, and I'm glad to be here once again talking to you all.